Hey yo, what's up, Brutus? Oh my god, just fucking ran into my desk. Oh, I've been doing the post-processing deep dive because I need to add bloom. Or to do these rings, whatever they're gonna be, I don't know what they're gonna be. Next with heat notes, gotta do some processing. Where'd I put that? Just I want it. Oh, you're playing League. Dude, that kind of makes me want to play League. I honestly would play League right now. Just immediately derail me. I don't know. I've just had a long day, man. And like the fact that I'm even on right now trying to do shit is like, it's a testament. I've been grinding, but not on stream. I play the real game? What do you mean by I play the real game? You don't play, what is it, ARAM? Wait, are you not talking about League of Legends? Bloom. Okay. I'm not really sure. Oh, no, okay. These lights should have bloom. I'm pretty sure these fucking... Let's check out these lights real quick. Yeah, they have an emission map. EP standard. What the fuck? Where does the emissive one? That come from? What? Okay, this is gonna be a good test. Okay, oh, I forget. Our camera sensitive. I mean, I probably just put on here for that. Alright, let's see. Okay, try putting emissive. Oh wait, actually, does it? I don't know if it applies that in scene view. Good question. Let's open up this. I know I had it working in the scenes. Does it apply? No, it doesn't. Well, it could just be. Well, I'm pretty sure like these should zoom, right? Oh, what the what the fuck? That may have been because we disabled it. It's probably because okay. Oh, it's on a missive, dude. What the fuck? I'm sus that it's not working. Like this. Wait. Oh, I know how to test it. Right. Ooh, unless. Unless they didn't have their scene set up for URP. They have a post. They don't have post. Way, right? Well, this is like. What's up with their grass, man? Here, Polly. This is the. This has got to have some type of a mission. I should do the readme. Demo 1. Yeah, see, okay, that, you see there's a glow over there. X. Gotta be a post. Cross. Oh. Renderer. It doesn't have post-processing? What? Move over. I don't know. We're looking at these though. Looks like there's a mission happening. Looks like there's lights there. Is that working? Yeah, what main post process volume? Oh no, that's my own house. So is it a light pro? Is it like a light? Come on here. That's a particle effect. It looks like they have like some kind of light. Point light. Oh, I have like an actual point light. How would you not do it with emission? Using. That's what you're supposed to do. I don't know. Oh, that's right. No, yeah. If you want light to actually like emit from it, use a light. If you want it to like glow, you can just use emission. Interesting. Okay. Well, back to my original scene. Yo, what's up, Eddie? Hello. Try to how are you doing tonight, Eddie? This. Okay, we got this fucking little ball here. Copy this. Let's do an emission test. Emission test. Okay, we're gonna give this emission. Low yellow. Okay, it's yellow. But it doesn't look like it's glowing a lot. Chillin'? Do you do much game dev? I'm working on post-processing stuff right now. I don't. Weird. I guess, okay. Really easy way to. Try aces. Okay, yeah. The fact that that didn't change it. Turning. Try temperature, that'll for sure tell us. Okay, yeah, it's not working. Okay. What is wrong? The water? Post-processing? You know what? Yeah, maybe the 3D object doesn't work. I have to do like a volume like this to it. Maybe this is the non-URP way to do it. Okay, let's try again. volume. And that is this a volume. I've watched several of your videos, yours and oh, did you comment recently? I think I saw it. Right, yeah. Yeah, I remember responding to that a day or two ago. You working on implementing that now? I'm just okay. URP is weird. Let's call this main global volume. Tone mapping, we're gonna use aces. And I'm gonna remove all of this stuff. That but so okay, how's it going? Are you making any headway? Yeah, I've been through exactly what you're trying to do right now. You do not want to do it with terrain trees, like yeah, you want to actually gotcha. Okay. Not oh word. Yeah, man, stop by, especially in the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, it's on all my video links. I still don't have a command. Do you know offhand how to add a command to YouTube? I'll do it later if you don't. I need to get a Discord. But anyways, yeah, if you ever need any help, Discord is the best place to ask. Pretty responsive. My mic has a weird behavior. Shit. Is it going in and out? Huh. Oh. Okay, let me look at something. Oh. I think I know why. It's got I have a noise gate on it. I should remove. Yeah, I think it was the noise gate, and then yeah, okay. Okay, is it better now? Tell me if it's still bad. For some reason I had a noise gate on it. I guess that was left over from some other time. Better now, cool. So yeah, dude, building open worlds is so fun. It's my favorite thing to do with game dev. And there is literally like an infinite amount to know about it. Like I've been doing this for kind of like years. Well, I don't know if years is the right term, but yeah, more than a year I've been doing 3D open world shit. And there's just so much to learn about world building, man. It's crazy. But yeah, right now I'm learning about post-processing and URP. Right. There we go. Okay. Now I think we just need to put this on the post-processing layer. Oh! Well, it did something. What the fuck? Huh? That's weird. I'm getting like an error on this thing. Here, let me try deleting that. Let's just make a new one, like from scratch. Okay, add override, post-processing. Let's add. The easiest one to know is gonna be the color adjustments. We just add a color filter. And then we need to change it to post-processing. Oh, there we go. It's a relaxing activity. Yeah, I feel like it's like a form of art, you know. Okay, this is working now. Let's add some other things. Okay, tone mapping. We want to use aces. Oh, yeah, look at that, dude. You see how much better the colors look like that? It's a little too dark, though. But we can mess with the post exposure, probably. That's too bright. Ah, yes, that looks way better. Oh, dude, yeah, look at these colors, man. Looks so much better. Wow. Okay, that's just activity 1, though. The main thing we were trying to do was add bloom. Okay, this should glow now when we turn up intensity. Okay, it does. But the rest of the skybox also glows. Which, yeah, we don't want that. Something I'm a little confused about is I thought that this guy should be glowing. But it's definitely like not. This obviously is. Material emissive. So like why? mission's on. I mean, it looks like it to me it's just like set to an odd value. There, yeah, see? Isn't it better to set the cycle to night to see the light emissions? I mean, yeah. You have a point. Yeah, we could set a night skybox. Yeah, good suggestion. Okay. I just kind of think though that like a mission map, like, interesting. Yeah, that's fair. I just think the color is maybe it's too light. That's why. Yeah, you can see like if we go to a higher color, it kind of glows a little more. Okay. Okay, you can see the difference between the two. Okay, that's just one part of it though. I don't know, it's kind of interesting that they had it by default set down to there. Like, I guess that is different, right? Like, if we look at it, it's different. Just not as intense. In my opinion, the light coming from the moon is much weaker. I guess it's not that obvious because the background lighting is high. Oh yeah, like it's still pretty light out, is what you're saying? Yeah, I'm not sure how the night cycle is gonna look in this game. I'm definitely gonna do one. I don't really, unless it's like a horror game or a cave, I don't really like making lighting super low. But it still might be a little too high right now. So we could turn the intensity multiplier down. I think I have to do that anyways with post-processing, but oh, that's just controlling the emission. Environmental reflections? Oh, I don't think this is actually doing anything. Hold up. Yeah. It's this. It's the exposure that we need to change. Oh. Nope. I actually don't know what's lighting the scene up right now. Oh. It's probably just the in-game directional light. Not the skybox itself. That's the strength of the shadows, okay. Intensity? Yeah, okay. Ooh, spooky. Okay, let's turn it really low for now. 0.5. Okay, yeah, so, I mean, obviously this itself has a glow to it, which is what the emission should do, but what you can see, it's not casting light, right? That's different. So that's a difference between emission and like a light group or a light probe. So what we would want to do is, so yeah, obviously we can see the difference here. Subtle emission from this one, which is good. Like that's what we want it to look like physically, like it's like lit up, but we also want it to cast light. So let's try to do that. Okay, this lo-fi mix not vibing with it right now. Something a little chiller, less trumpety. Back briefly? Dude, okay, you didn't even answer me. What are you playing? Like League of Legends League? Oh, dude, I would never call TFT League though. This guy. I've never ever called TFT League. I have played League before, and I don't mean I've played TFT. Okay, anyways. Fucking Brutus. Let's see if we can add a light to this. I'm terrible, but I played. That's what I was saying earlier. I was like, I'm down to play with you. Wait, are the chips that loud? Jesus. Loud plus I am old man who hates noises. Fair enough. Okay, so we're gonna have like a little light thing here. Now... Ooh. Let's check that out. That works, but it looks kind of weird. Yeah, this is a prefab. It's actually a single mesh, unfortunately, so I can't isolate it. This is just messing around with stuff though, so that's whatevs. Oh, whoops. Oh, okay, that's cool. I don't know what these things do. Oh, it actually casts shadows? Interesting. Hmm. Seems a little weird. Maybe change the shape. Yeah, we can mess around with that. The only thing that's weird to me is like it's like lighting up the surface of above it, like really bright, right? It's like it's receiving like a ton of light. Which roles do I play? I usually play Jhin bot lane. Jhin was my main. Which is a terrible decision, because then I have to play with somebody else. If I ever played again, I would not play bot lane, I think. Unless I had somebody to play with. Changing the shape, yeah, right, so right now it's like a point. So I would have to do like, I don't know. I also don't really understand what light probes do. What does a light probe do? Explain what light probes do. Indeed, light probes are a feature used for accurate and dynamic lighting. Oh, this is for like real-time lighting? Okay, so so they're probably less useful. They're probably more useful when you use baked lighting, which I will be using. But I currently am not using baked lighting. I'm using real-time lighting. I don't know, does this, I'm kind of curious, like does this light cast a shadow on me? Does it know I'm here? Here, let's add another one of these guys. Oh, dude. Let's go back to the ball, the sphere. Let's make it really intense. Okay. I don't know. This thing definitely doesn't cast shadows. Oh yeah, that's because we told it. Oh, there it goes. Now it's casting shadows. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what would happen if we added like a light probe. I don't really understand. I mean, it's basically saying that if you bake in lighting, then it saves everything as textures, so it doesn't have to real-time compute. And then a light probe will resample light within its area and update those textures, I think. That's what it sounds like it does. So, yeah, I don't know what this does. Range. Let's try this. Okay, yeah, so you can definitely see it cast shadows. What if it was baked? Oh, still works. I need to read this. Oh, maybe it has to be the light itself that's moving. That's what I'm trying to figure out, Eddie, yeah. So I'm wondering if we... Well, we do have the light probe on. Oops. I don't get it. I don't really understand what the difference would be. Light probes enable dynamic and responsive lighting for objects that move or change within the scene. This is important for maintaining realistic lighting interactions on dynamic objects like characters or vehicles. Light probes are often used in conjunction with baked lighting. I wonder if it's just because this scene is currently using like real-time lighting for the most part. The light is mixed. Oh, whoops, this is my other project. Here's our directional light. Yeah, it's in real time. I wonder if if we did baked, would that change things? But then again, that is the directional light itself, so I don't know. That doesn't really make sense. I don't know. It's a tough one. When you bake lighting in Unity, it pre-computes lighting information and stores it in textures. Light probes complement baked lighting by providing real-time lighting updates for dynamic elements. I don't know. I'll have to watch something tomorrow to understand it a little bit better, because I'm not fully getting it right now. I'm not getting like where should you be placing light probes? It sounds like there's a Unity option in lighting to automatically generate them. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. Dude, I'm gonna force stop this. Oh wait, what the? Oh, it's back. Okay. Our stuff disappeared for a sec. All right. I feel like light mapping should probably be done with GPU, but I don't actually know. Directional. All right. Well, anyways, we kind of figured out what I wanted to. So I wanted to also check out some effects that I had gotten in a pack for free that use bloom. So that was the main reason I was setting this up. So let's check out these effects now, because I want to try to learn from these effects in order to make my own. It was magic slashes. Check these bad boys out. I was looking at these the other day, but they didn't look very impressive. But then I realized that it's because they rely on bloom. And I didn't have bloom in my scene. So to be honest, that's what started this whole bloom project for me and learning about it all. Okay, so we have, where are they? Energy, PC prefabs. What is this? Oh no, we don't want that. Ah shit, we have to do a material upgrade. Let's convert these materials. Those asset packs from Unity Asset Store copyright free? Like you can use them in commercial? Yes. As long as you, if they were paid assets and you paid for them, yes, you can. And if they're free assets, you can use them also. So the only time that you would not be able to use them is if they were a paid asset and you somehow like pirated it or something. That's the only time. But yeah, if you get them like fair use, then you can use them in your projects. Uh-oh, I had some errors. Fuck me, bro. Okay. Wait, I swear to God I did this the other day. I'm so confused. Well, we could check them out in the other scene, I guess, but I bet most or some of them work at least. Let's look. Where is it? Prefabs. Let's try energy. I don't know what energy does. Okay, we'll do it. Yeah, let's move this whole guy over. Make it kind of right in front of us so we can see it. Oh, wait, it's like, okay. Ah, here we go. Okay. Okay, wait, that one's not that cool. Slash? Oh, interesting. It spawns like a light for it or something. That's cool. Didn't really realize. Point light, yeah, there's a point light here. Okay. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, shit. It's so big, though. That definitely looks way better, though, with... Oh, yeah. Dude, before... Look, okay. This is what it looked like before without bloom. Let's look at it before and after. Might have to move this a little further away because it's just like kind of all over. Let's turn off our... Okay, that's what it looks like when we're off with post-processing. Let's try playing it again. You see the difference? Like, it doesn't glow, right? it's a little hard to tell if it's on a small screen probably, but that is not really like standing out and glowing. But if we turn this on now and we play it, it has like a glow to it. This would be a great use for a portal to the other world. Yeah, dude. Yeah, these are some sick effects. There's tons of really good ones in here. We can look at some more now that they're working. And yeah, this was not actually a free asset. I got it in a 30 packs for $30. I think normally this is like $20 or something. But yeah, I did a 30 for 30 deal on Unity one time, and actually it was like such a good idea. I'm so happy I did that. I got so many sick assets. Let's look at, okay, PC. Oh no, we don't want the PC prefabs. We want crack, effect 10 energy. Let's try that one. Oh god, dude, I hate when it does this. Okay, I don't understand. It's just like different energy points or different energy effects. That's kind of cool. How about this slash? What does this one look like? Oh, we can't really see this in the scene view very well. It's so, dude. It's just kind of hard to see. That's pretty cool though. That's a cool slash for sure. Or it could be like a wind, like a wind attack almost. Okay, it's pretty cool. What else do we got? What else do we got? I want something that's the most similar to what I'm gonna be trying to make. Effect 1, crack. Just like dust? What? Oh, it's like a little dust splatter effect. Okay, interesting. Crack. Oh shit, it's like a fissure in the ground or something. That's very cool. You would think it would like glow a little bit more. I don't know. Kind of see it in the scene view. Oh wait, did I? No, this is on, yeah. Okay. Bloom intensity is, oh, it's pretty high, honestly. Jeez. Okay. I just kind of get the feeling that like something is still a little off. It might just be that some of these materials haven't been fully converted because they're not compatible with URP or something. Yeah, I think it's still missing some things. Anyways, okay. I mean, we could try to make our own effect, though. I basically want to make like a spiraling ring that gets smaller over time. It's not that hard, but it needs to look good. Like a kind of like a energy ring. So, yeah, I don't know if you're still there, Eddie, but here, let me show you what I'm actually making in Zen Fisher. I'm gonna need to turn this UI back on. Shit. So yeah, we have this fish mechanic right now. And I have these little balls that are coming up. It's supposed to be like a little beat game for catching the fish. So right now they're just dumb little spheres that travel, as you can see. But I want it to be like a nice like effect that's like has some glow to it, and it's like a ring and it gets smaller, and then like if you hit it, it like blows up or whatever. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know if you got any ideas. I'm honestly just, I'm trying to figure this out on the fly, but that's my idea. But I want the beat game to just feel good. Right now, like it doesn't feel great with the little spheres coming up, which it was totally just like a placeholder type of mechanic, but trying to think of everything that I need to make it look better. I need like I almost think I need like a zone, like when they're traveling up, right? Okay, I think it's hard for me to like show it on the screen, but like near the edge of the rod, like up here, I almost think there might be like there needs to be like a zone, like a cylinder that's like a little lighter and like transparent, and like that's where you need to like click it. I think that might be something that needs to go in. But then also like the ring shrinks to the size of it or something, and then right when it gets to that point and it shrinks the right amount, you have to click it. I was thinking water blobs or air bubbles. Okay. It's worth thinking about. Water blobs or air bubbles? Air bubbles could be pretty cool. I almost wonder if like yeah, that's like similar to what it is now, but maybe if you made it like translucent, like kind of like a bubble, it would look better. I don't know. I don't know, this is tough. Oh, There's so many custom things I need to make. Let's just start. Okay, I'm just gonna start making an effect. I think I know enough about these particle systems that I can just make one at this point. So let's create. Thinking of, I like, yeah, thinking of fishing. I guess you should somehow control the tension in the line because IRL you could break the line for a bigger fish. Okay, so yeah, I've been thinking about that actually. My idea is that basically, so when you catch this fish, right, like think of it as like there's like a beat meter, like it could be like kind of Dance Dance Revolution or like some other beat game, but there's like a beat meter up on the screen that's like a UI element, and like every time you get a beat note correct, it like, you know, basically fills the bar up, and then every like sphere or whatever that comes up the line that you click correctly, it gets it up more. But for tension stuff, what could happen is there could be like a right arrow, like kind of like Dance Dance Revolution. And when it's a right arrow, the fish swims the opposite way of it. And so it's like adding tension to the line, and you need to like do like a swipe pull in order to get that one and release the tension. If you don't do the swipe pull, then you lose your progress bar or whatever. So that's my idea for like a little more complex mechanics. It's kind of like, have you seen the game Osu? I was looking at the Osu game. It's a little bit similar to Osu. Like, so yeah, it's kind of like this where you like drag. Oh, Jesus Christ. Like some of these are like drag things. So it'd be similar to that. It's like you need to drag it. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to implement. I think it's a good idea, but yeah, it's hard to execute. I really like all other aspects of the fishing so far, though. Like, I think everything else... I mean, I do need to finalize animations and, like, do another pass, but, I like the splashing and the sound effects and all that. This animation's a little weird. That needs some improvement. And maybe there needs to be a final animation when you catch the fish. So there's definitely some things to work on still. I kind of like the hook animation. That's actually not bad, but the little hooks are a little weird. I think the rod moves up too much instead of like back. I don't know. That might be the issue. I don't really know, but I'm not worried about it right now because I'm gonna have to completely redo those animations because I'm planning on rigging the rod so it actually can have tension and it can like flex. Those are just placeholder animations for now. Okay, let's try to make a particle effect. Trails. We definitely want to add, I think you can add trails inside of a particle system. We're gonna have our own material. Okay, the shape that we want, let's do I think it's like a donut. Yeah, we want like a donut. We're gonna want random emission. Where is this particle system? Okay. Okay, yeah. Velocity. We don't want... I don't think we want any velocity. 0. There we go. It... Okay. Gotta go now. Wish you luck. Alright, dude. Thanks. Peace. Jesus, dude. I don't know how to do this, man. It's like it needs to be a particle effect on top of something else. Hey, now fan, what's up? What we making? Dude, making a fishing game. Right now, right now I'm trying to make a particle effect and it's rough, man, it's rough. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's grab this material and put it in here. We're trying to make like a glowing ring. Like, and then the glowing ring has to get smaller over time. I'm not sure if the smaller over time should be part of the particle effect or if that should be controlled by like a script, but particles lit. I don't know if I like this base mech. It's like black on the edge. Like, what? Particles lit. Now let's put some emission on this bad boy. Oh, I need an emission map to like textures. Do I just have like a? I just want like a white texture, dude. Can you create a texture in Unity? Wait, yeah, what does this use? This has to use a texture, right? No. No basement. Dude. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. What's the game about? It's about fishing. Sorry, I'm in a nighttime scene right now, but basically, yeah, you catch some fish. I'm trying to make like a little beat mini game for catching the fish. That's what I'm working on right now. It's like it's kind of open worldy like with like a full inventory system. So yeah, here's the inventory system. Can like drag around items and stuff. We can pick up items. Here's a tomato. Split items. And then we're gonna have some gear slots. Hands, tackle, outfit, accessories. And then the main thing of the game is the collection log. So there's a collection log that you're trying to fill out. And there's gonna be different biomes. And then there's different fish for each biome. And then for each fish, there's different rarities that you have to catch. So yeah, the point of the game is gonna be to catch all the fish and all the rarities. You wish you could make games too? It's really hard, man. It's so hard. You can, it's just, oh man, it's tough. Have you ever tried before? Okay, let's keep making this effect. Wait, where did my effect go? What? Oh, we weren't playing it. Okay, that looks weird right now. Hey there, any idea on how to use grass systems that work with a procedural map? I have some ideas, yeah. How... On a scale of 1 to 10, how in-depth of an answer do you want? I've done this before. It depends what you want to know, I guess. I think you... Wait, I'm remembering back when I did this, and I remember grass being one of the hardest parts about the procedural stuff. Because you can't just spawn a fuck ton of grass. It's terrible for performance. So, I tried using Minion's art grass system. Okay, well, yeah, I'll give you a couple pointers. So, one thing is, oh, man. Trying to remember. Yeah, okay. If I'm remembering correctly, you really want to use the terrain grass features if possible. Otherwise, you have to spawn the grass yourself, and you have to manage it yourself, like based on like the distance of like the camera away from the grass. And it's really expensive to do that and really hard to set it up correctly. So what you really want to do is you want to just spawn grass on the terrain itself. And then you can use, like, there's a detail map on the terrain object. So you want to get a reference to the terrain object. You can just like drag this in. It's a terrain object like anything else. And then you can find the details, edit details. Right. This is something that's editable by code. And there's basically like a texture mapping on the terrain for where to paint all this details, where to paint all these details. And so if you have a procedural map generated and you like know what zones and like what biomes are what, then you can decide based off of that map where you want to texture the grass. And then you can just kind of set it all up at the beginning like you would in a normal procedural environment. And then from there, the terrain just takes care of your like performance. So like then the terrain will just hide the grass depending on what your terrain settings are. So you can like turn the detail distance up and down, right? And it will take care of it for you. So to me, that's the best way to do it. I'll give you one more pointer though, which is probably a better pointer. I follow this dude who's just a legend at procedural stuff. Super unknown YouTuber. He has similar number of subscribers to me. This guy has just the most godly procedural generation tutorial series that I have ever witnessed on YouTube. So let me find the first one. Where's his playlist? He's gotta have like a playlist, right? Bro. Let's just search up procedural. There it is. Have fun. It's an insanely long series. You don't need to watch it all, but the reason it's such a good series is because it's all open source and he posts all his code to GitHub. So you can literally just download his project and you can just start playing around with it. And he talks through every single feature of it. So if you ever get confused, you can go to the tutorial and you can like watch him make it. And this, like, I'm just telling you, dude, stop what you're doing right now and start doing this. Like, I can guarantee you this is going to be, you're going to be way more successful using this system. I can guarantee you that right now. So if that helps you, man, I'm glad, but I would highly recommend that tutorial series. That's where I learned to do proc gen, and I can tell you I got really far, and I had a really nice proc gen system with many biomes and very customizable. So it's gonna take you many hours to get like your feet under you with that, but it's gonna be worth it, I promise. What a game. Oh god, dude, you were gone for a while, man. That was a single game. That's why I can't play League of Legends, man. Like, fucking games can last 45 minutes. Bro, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I don't want these to be so big. Start size. Ooh, there we go. Okay, that looks a little better. I think this texture just sucks. Rank? Wait, what's your main rank? Dude, can you teach me how to play? I'm terrible, dude. I'm fucking bronze shitter. But I always want to be better. Wait, there's an emerald rank now? Oh. Wait, what? I didn't even know there's emerald. Since when did that happen? Oh god, okay. What the hell are sub-emitters? Oh god. It's a sub-particle system? Crazy. Lights? Oh jeez, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I don't think I have the artistic abilities to create this. You started in iron? Oh my god. Last year? Damn. Yeah, it must have happened like pretty recently because I played last year. Maybe I just didn't even know there's an emerald because I never even got close. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. How do I make this look good, dude? Shape. Is there like a shape or like a size over lifetime of the shape? Probably not. Yeah. Yeah, that looks like dog shit, dude. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I think it needs to be like a ring, like an actual ring, dude. Like a mesh donut. And then that has to have some like a mission on it. And then there needs to be particles coming out of that. I think that's what has to happen. But I think the ring, it should have like some like kind of translucency. Glowing ring effect, like glowing ring effect. I need a model. I need something to model it after. Otherwise, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. It's just a 2D thing. Like this. This is what I want. That's exactly what I want. Fuck, it's in Photoshop though. I want my rings to look like this.
Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome glow effect in Photoshop. Hey there, welcome to Flearn. My name is Aaron Nace. Today we're going to start off by darkening this image and then creating a light source and then drawing that light source interacting with our subject. And we're including a sample PSD as well as a special Photoshop brush for free with this tutorial. Just follow the link in the description right now.
This man has 2 million subscribers. Holy shit.
And over 2 levels. There we go. Now, when we have our levels, I just want to take my brights and we're just going to kind of pull these down right to about there. We're going to fine tune this in just a little bit, but we're just basically making this a lot darker. Next, we want to make our energy field. So I'm going to go ahead and grab shape tool. We're going to go to our shape tools here on the left, and I'm going to go to my ellipse tool. There we go.
Oh my god, the Rolf. The Rolf is here.
Click and drag, and I'm going to hold shift to make sure we have a perfect.
I'm excited that you're here, the Rolf.
Go right around, looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and let go. Now we have some options on how we'd like to fill this circle in. The fill, I'm just gonna set this to none here, and then the stroke, we're gonna set this to a color. I'm just gonna use like a bright green color here.
Bro's about to monetize the blur filter. This man did. Dude, this guy's fucking 2 million subscribers? Like, what?
Welcome to 30 days.
30 days of Photoshop? God damn, bro. Okay, whatever. How old is the channel? Good question. Oh yeah, it's... Can I sort by oldest? 11 years? Dude, man's just been doing Photoshop for 11 years. Okay. He's still going 1 month ago. I see a lot of progress in the game. Yeah, ignore this fucking particle system, but whatever. Here, let me, okay, yeah, I'm in a nighttime scene. It's pretty hard to ignore. What is this, man? It's not working out. It's not working out for me tonight. I'll show you what I've done, Thorolf. I'm excited to show you, actually. I've been wanting to talk to you. So, where did we leave off, man? Oh, the clouds are nice. Yeah, it's just another skybox that I have. I just put it to nighttime because I've been doing glow stuff, emission and lighting. Look at this guy emitting some light against this pole and everything. Anyways, I was just trying to get a better view of that. But let's check out the fishing mechanic. So how is the music coming through, by the way? How's like the desktop audio? Is that coming through? Okay, yeah, so you can hear some sound effects maybe. Here, I'm gonna turn up the sound effects real quick. So, because I added like everything in. Alright, there it is. That's the mechanic right now. Trying to speedrun a rhythm game. Exactly. Yeah, okay, so we got the rhythm game in place. It's the base mechanics are there, and you could see everything happening. The problem is it doesn't look good. It doesn't look impressive. So we need to make those spheres like a nice effect, which is what I was trying to do with this pink particle system here. But that's not gonna cut it. So I was taking a step back and I'm trying to look at like glowing ring effects and like how people make them, and I need some reference material. So do you like click when the ball reaches the top? That's the idea. Yeah, it's not very well polished right now. But yeah, the idea will be you, God damn it, dude, I keep turning this UI off and it causes a bug. But yeah, it's just like some beat game, like DDR. So we need to add in a bunch of like effects and nice looking things to make this game better. But yeah, you're supposed to click right when it reaches the edge of the rod, like that would be ideal. So one thing, if I can, let's see if I can you can kind of see the cursor, but right here at the edge of the fishing line, I think what needs to happen is there needs to be some like light cone or like translucent cylinder that like it's kind of like similar to the DDR like arrow that's like in place, so it like signifies the spot at which you need to click. I think there needs to be something like that, and then I think there needs to be some like emissive shape, like a ring that gets smaller over time, and when it overlaps with that area, it's the exact same size, and then you click, and then it like expands and blows up. What if you used a ring sprite that's thin, give it a glow, and use particles to be around it, where the sprite with the glow does most of the lifting for you? I think that is exactly what I'm trying to do, Mr. Cody Rain. Yeah. So I'm basically trying to figure out how to pull that off right now. So the sprite, well, okay, the only problem is I think it needs to be a mesh though, because it's I think it's gonna have to be a 3D object, because this isn't, it's not a very, the game itself isn't a 3D environment, right? It's not like just a UI 2D. I could project it onto like a 2D surface, but I think it would be better if they were actually put a mesh. BRB, another game? Dude, you're gonna be gone for 45 minutes. Oh, you're saying use sprites for the particles. Okay, yeah, that's fair, that's fair. If you get stuck on visualizations, you can always experiment with multiple colors. A right-click color. I think I see what you're saying. You're saying like part of the game could be a left click or a right click. So wait, Cody, are you saying that there's like a ring, like a main ring that's traveling up like where the sphere is right now? Is that what you're saying? So I was thinking like basically that, but it would be like an actual like torus, or like a donut, like a 3D object that travels up. But like same idea that you're saying. But the more I think about it, the worse my idea is. So, okay, I have another idea that you probably will like, Throlf. So say that we catch the fish. As part of the beat game, a little extra something that can happen is the fish starts to pull to like the left. And instead of just like a normal ring that comes down the rod, there's like an arrow or something that's pointing to the right. And so if the fish swims off to the left, then you have to do a swipe action where you like pull to the right and counter what the fish does. So that way it's not just clicking, but also pulling left and pulling right and stuff. If we have 3D circle and blender or whatever, then add an emissive transition material to it and make it pop also. Okay. I agree, Cody. I think that's what I did. Yeah. Love that, dude. Yeah, I thought that was a good idea. All right, yeah, I think me and you are on the same page, Cody. Yeah, I mean, fuck, I could just hop in a blender and start it. Let's see it. Let's just see how far I get. What is this? Have I not opened Blender on this computer yet? That's hard to believe. All right, let's try to make this. How's your game dev experience, Cody? You seem like you know what you're talking about in terms of the aesthetics, at least. I've been learning a lot about emissive materials and all that stuff. So yeah, what you were saying makes a lot of sense. Oh, dude. Hold up, I need some music for this. I forget everything about Blender. Okay. Add. We want chorus probably. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I turned it up. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I'm turning it down again. You can't make a ring with line renderer. By the way, I'm live on Twitch as well for the YouTube people out there. Yeah, sorry, I turned it up to I turned it up to show off the sound effects in game, so that was a mistake. I meant to turn that back down. Hopefully it's better now, you guys. No arrow, just click. Left arrow, move to the left and click. Yes, exactly, yeah. Or have you played the game Osu? It's gonna kind of be like Osu, so like you like drag click. At least that's what I'm thinking. You could even make variants of the object with left or right arrow indicating the player which direction to move the pole. Yes, that's what I'm thinking, dude. Yeah. Music. Oh. Should we get less relaxing fucking coding music? Here, I have a coding music mix. Here we go. This will put us in the zone. Coding music, yeah, dude. It's like it takes you on a journey type of shit. Dial codes, Cody. I use Twitch more, so I switched. Oh hell yeah. Yo, thank you for the follow. I need a new dude. I've switched over to OBS. I don't have any of my follower shit, so thank you for the follow though. Normally I have notifications on. Oh, you have a music account? Is it just for like music you like or like making music? Okay, we have our ring. I think we want it to be a little we want it to be a little thinner. Let's see. Can I like scale? How can I make it thinner, dude? Who knows? I don't think scaling is gonna work. Can we scale in just yet? No, that's also not gonna work. Scale in S plus Z? Oh, oh. Oh, I see. Well, that makes it, that squashes it, I guess, yeah. But I was thinking about the inner and outer radius. How do we change the inner and outer radius? Oh, you make some music. What kind of music you make? ChatGPT. How do I change the inner and outer radius of a... What is this thing called? Is it called a donut? Dude, I read that as a meatball. Okay, metal ball. That's not what we made. If you want to add a meatball, though, you can do it. Taurus. That's what it was. Oh, dude, Twitch chat popping off. Caden Burlinson, what's up? How we doing? How we all doing tonight, dude? I probably got another hour in me or so. We're gonna go hard for another hour. Wait. Ah. It knows I'm doing too much Unity in Blender. Add a Taurus, press Shift A to add. Oh, no, yeah, we already did that. In the Taurus options up here, the bottom left corner. Ooh, okay. Huh? What is this saying, dude? In the Taurus options that appear in the bottom left corner of the 3D view or in the operator presets panel. I'm so bad at Blender, dude. Ah, object? I think this is it. Maybe not. I should delete it and re-add it? Alright. Taurus? Oh, here it is. Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, we want this to be like... Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, what? Major... Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, how big is this ring gonna be? Is that about right? Looks about right. We'll start with that. All right, points to Thorolf and Mauve Bat. Dalco, I'll give you points because you said up arrow. I don't even know what you can redeem. This is just fake points. There are channel points though. You can redeem things. All right, let's go into, man, yeah, it's been a while since I've done Blender. Let's add a new material. I mean, I don't even know if we really need to add this material in Blender, but like we probably don't. Here, I'm just gonna export this guy. Ring. Mesh. Just the mesh. Whoa, throw, wait. Throw off, are you subbed? How'd you even use that? All right. Beat, it's called a beat ring. Okay, I don't know about this coding music though. I mean, it's okay, but Dalco just offered 4 subs to the community. Holy shit. Dude. My guy. Hell yeah, bro. Oh, no, I feel so bad though now because I don't have the I just switched over to OBS and I don't have the gifted subs shit on. Can we get like a manual? This is what I used to play. Hold up, I'll play the old sub. No worries, I don't do it for alerts, dude. You're the man. What is this? Is used to be my old alert. Okay. Dude. No, this is not what I want. I want to target interview. Young? I don't know. Oh no, cigar, that's what it is. This is just the best.
It's very simple. I went home with Maria in 1977 when I met her at the tennis tournament. I went home with her to meet her parents in Hyannisport. And there, her father, after dinner, pulled out a cigar, lit it up, then he gave one to his son, then to the other son, and to some other people, and he said to me, "Do you want a cigar?" And I said, "I don't know how to smoke a cigar." He says, "Well, try it, because after dinner, everyone ought to have a cigar." So I tried it. Well, the rest is history. I'm still smoking stogies. I love it, and he introduced me to something really good. And I know now the next question. Knowing you, being the interviewer that you are, digging in deep all the time, you will say now, what does your wife think about that? Let me ask you something. When my wife's father has introduced me to stogies, what is she gonna say? She's not gonna say my father made a mistake, because her father never makes a mistake. So therefore, it is okay. I can smoke stogies around her. I can smoke stogies in my house. First of all, because her father introduced me to stogies, and second of all, because I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
Dude. I don't know why that is so funny to me. Bro, I fucking love that interview. Now I know the next question. What does your wife think about that? I love he basically interviews himself. The interviewer didn't speak a single word that entire time. like, like what? Oh, that's too funny. Okay. Let me turn this back down now. Okay. Okay. Back to what we were doing. Beat ring. Let's put that on the scene. Oh yeah, look at that beat ring. Okay. Okay, good. All the rotations are correct. Scale is just massive, of course, because I never know how to scale from Blender, but that's okay. Let's put. Oh, it came with a default material. Fair enough. Okay, let's change this guy up. We're gonna give it an emission. I'm gonna make it like purpley. Let's make it purple. One Blender unit is one Unity unit? Okay, fair enough. Change surface type to translucent. Okay, let's see. Oh, transparent. Okay. Oh yeah, that's looking good. All right, we can turn that into scale a little bit too. Doesn't need to be this big. Dude, I really need to fix this UI bug. I always have to turn it off to see it, but then it bugs. Okay, let's try to get this guy close. I want it to like... Alright, yeah, it's getting closer, whatever. That looks good. Okay, back to material. Ring, beat ring, that. Okay, how does it know how transparent it is? That's a material property, right? Like, where... Yeah, I do know that we want to do this. I want to do something like that. Alpha channel and color. That's probably just albedo, right? Yeah, okay, wait, maybe let's turn the emission down though for a sec. There it is. Okay, yeah, sweet. Okay, yeah, so that looks decent. And then we're gonna want some emission. Not sure I'm not sure how to balance like emission and the translucency. It doesn't really feel like I'm getting like great emission. Even though I have post-processing, I have bloom. Oh, that's the threshold. Whoops. I mean, I would expect this to be scatter. I mean, it seems like a reasonable value. Yeah, emissive things aren't really transparent usually, huh? So, yeah, but I mean, maybe it's not supposed to be translucent. Like we don't need it to be translucent. I don't know. Or maybe we need it to be emitting light instead of like physical light. Could have the emissive with particles. I think that's the play. Yeah. You're saying, okay, so wait, you're saying like no emission property on this, and then have all the emissivity come from the particles, right? Also, we might want to, I don't know. It's kind of nice to do it at night. It's a little easier to see the emission stuff. I was gonna say change the skybox back to the daytime, but okay, here's my shitty particle system from before. We could build off of this. So yeah, I don't know. The speed needs to be like random, I guess. Like it needs to kind of randomly be shooting out. I think you can do that in here. We can do like random between two constants. Oh shit. I I don't know, man. Part of me feels like this needs to have some emission to it. The size change over, oh, the particle size change over lifetime? Yeah, I should add that in. Not really sure if this needs to be translucent, to be honest, but maybe. Maybe some balance between the two. I'm just, okay. I'm confused because there's got to be a way to make this emission more vivid. Like, okay, for example, in this, right, I was playing around with it in this, and this guy is like super emissive. Like, look how much that's glowing. And in this project, I controlled that with the post-process volume, intensity. I guess this is just like a custom shader. Transparent makes it, oh, okay, interesting. Is that why? Well, still, I turned it up all the way. I mean, you can definitely see a little bit of bleed of the edges. It just doesn't feel like it's much. Like, I feel like there should be a way to have a lot more than this. Does anything change if I turn off transparent? Not really. Oh, maybe metallic versus specular? Wait, specular? That's like reflections. Blending mode, alpha, multiply, I don't. Nah, that's just that, we don't want that. Oh, there's intensity. I forgot about intensity. Hold on. Transparent. Man. I don't think we want, I think we can go back to metallic, okay. Yeah, but intensity. Well, the intensity just changes the color though, so. I wish there's a way to maintain the base color with the increased emission, but it doesn't really feel like there is. Damn. Yeah, I don't really understand why it doesn't work as well. I'm gonna have to figure this one out. stock shader. Hmm. Done with League tonight. You can help me get better at League? Alright, good. I'm gonna need you. Okay, let's set that off. I'm so annoyed right now, man. I can't take how long League games are. Can I compare the bloom settings? Well, the problem is that this is built-in render pipeline. This is URP, so they're gonna be different. So the post-process volume is made in a different way. But I can tell you that this guy right here. Here, let's turn off the light though. I guess it's not very emissive, huh? Like it's kind of similar. But I did this in this project, and this is just emission. Emission test. What's odd, I guess, to me is that in turning up the intensity here doesn't change like the base color, whereas it seems to do that in the other one. Oh, maybe not. What? I'm so confused. Okay, well. The intensity has 3 in the other one? No, the bloom, it's just inverted. This is threshold, and the other one says intensity. I mean, I could... I mean, that obviously increases how much emission there is. Like, you can see it. I mean, I guess there is a glow to it. Like, that's no glow, and that's the setting I have. And I could do like fucking oh shit. Okay. Well, there we go. Oh hey, you're back. Yo, what's up? Learn anything, Naufin? Maybe this needs to just be way higher? I'm scared for what's gonna happen when I change back to the other skybox. Dude. Where are my skyboxes, man? Why is my shit not loading right now, man? It's not showing me previews. Oh. See, I just feel like that can't be right, man. It feels like such an absurd amount of bloom that's needed to do this. Will that game look cool? We're trying to get there, man. We're trying to get there. It's been a process. Maybe that's... I can't remember which skybox I used to have. Fuck me, dude. It was this one, I think. Yeah, look how fucked that is. I never get to the graphics part, bro. Same. That's my problem. I'm doing shit I've never done before. It's kind of tough. Hard to know how to balance everything. Like, is there a way to just like the emission property? I feel like is supposed to be your control over how much emissivity it has. Like, but I can achieve more with higher bloom. Is there like a way to only apply bloom to that object? It just doesn't look very impressive. Like, I want way more glow than there is. But I don't think using an intensity of 58 is the answer. I really don't. I cannot remember which skybox I used before. Fuck. I thought it was this. Oh, did I change this material? No. Really? That's just what it looks like with this bloom on? Nah, this wasn't the skybox. Oh man. Is what's his name still around? Well, who gave the subs? It was Dalco. You still around? I'm here, dude. I don't even know what question to ask. I was gonna ask you a question, but I don't even know which one it is. Do you do Unity development? What is casting light on this guy right now? Oh, I think it's some particle effects that are nearby. You do? Do you do like URP projects, or do you do built-in render pipeline usually? Huh. Well, I guess I lost my skybox. Never gonna find it again. Rainbow Gaming, can you do like a tutorial for procedural generations? I've been thinking about doing a prog gen series. We'll see. It's on my radar for sure. I want to. It's really complicated though. It take a lot of effort. Try baking the lights. Okay. Okay, let's go back to what nighttime scene was this? I think it was this one. Bro, everything's purple. Wait. Is that from this? What is that from? The fuck is all this purple coming from? It's gone. Change the material to global illumination instead of baked. Where is that? Oh. Real time? Okay, what is my current? Okay, this is like fairly reasonable bloom. And again, yeah, we can go up. Yeah, we can get the desired effect. Like that's what I'm going for. But that just fucks everything else up. Like I can't do that. Let's see how it looks. Well, there's a little emission, but it's not great. Same with this guy. You gonna go for a while? All right, man. Thanks for stopping by, bro. I'll see you soon. Hopefully, I'll probably stream again in a few days. Some good info here. Okay. Let's check this out. Man, this has been harder. I thought I set this all up in a different project. Of course, I used a different render pipeline, so I'm trying to make a material glow, but when I toggle the emission and increase the intensity, it does nothing. Okay, I don't want to look at that. Huh.
Hello and welcome, I'm your code monkey, and here this is a really quick video on how to add glow to your scenes in Yin. I get this question pretty much at least once whenever I make a video with a glow effect.
Man, obviously has like a ton of glow.
I added a really nice glow effect to make the final one really nicely polished. I think that is super simple.
Regarding ERP and emissive materials, if your object with lit material is at a distance, make sure to increase the intensity slider to 10 on them. Then adjust the post-process of volume objects. Bloom threshold is 0.1 and intent. Okay, well, maybe what it is I need to have a few different post-processing effects. And like if I want a post-processing effect to apply to like some materials, then I put them on a certain layer. What is your intensity set to? It is, let's look. $20. Fucking as high as you can go. Oh, you can try to set it to 100. It doesn't really do anything though, past like 10 I think. This actually isn't doing anything. I feel like that might be the problem. Yeah, it does feel like something's broken, huh? I mean, what's different about like say this sphere? Like, I mean, clearly this sphere has quite a bit more like emission going on. Here, let's just turn this back. Let's like maybe compare these materials. Metallic opaque front. We can mess around with this one a little bit. Transparent. Like changing the transparent thing. That doesn't really affect it at all. And actually, it did get translucent. Oh, that doesn't change it actually. Never mind. What? Still doesn't really do too much, but at least this changes it. Okay, I mean, yeah, that's fair. Like, I think I can achieve that, yeah. So, if I change the threshold to 0.1, then yeah, it glows like fucking crazy. But the problem is this is a global volume. So, I don't want to change it there, right? Like, insane glow with just 0.1 bloom intensity and 10 material. Oh. Are they using URP? You're saying this was just 0.1. Yeah, well, what the fuck? I don't get anything, man. All the options are enabled. Why don't we just start a fresh project? Yeah, I'll take a link. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so yeah, he does the URP. Yes, we have that. We better. Okay. Regular cube. Glow cube. Right. Okay. Okay. We have our orange material. We have our delete. We don't need that. Set our intensity to 0.1. Okay, let's go to our emission and let's go up to 10. Okay, what the fuck, dude? Is that what his looked like? I didn't even look. Okay, why does... See what... Why is this actually orange, though? Instead of, like, fucking white. You know? Oh, does it? Okay. So you just lower. Well, I don't know. See, like, it's already a white. Why is it already white? What did I just do? I gotta click your link again. Somehow I lost it. He just uses like... No. He sets it to the color he wants. What? Oh, okay, now it works? Huh? Okay, that's a weird. It almost feels like a bug. Like I literally just changed it after changing the emission map. Maybe you have to reset this after you click emission? That's pretty fucking weird. Dude, I don't know. That's strange. I can't even replicate it, so I don't know. Okay, I mean, obviously, obviously this works, and it has literally 0.1 bloom on the post-processing. Threshold's 0.9. I'm not doing anything else. Everything else is default. Ugh. Okay. What to do? What is the way to debug this right now? Create a new scene? Like, should I just create a new scene in this project? Maybe it is somehow is this scene is fucked somehow. Like a post. I have 2 post-processing effects right now. What is this one? Oh, this is water. Yeah, okay. That's not a global volume though. Wait, what are these 2? Is there another global post-processing effect in here? No, okay, no, we're good. It's just these 2. That one's local, that one's local. So yeah, both of those are not being applied. So we only have 1 post-processing effect. I mean, maybe it's somehow the camera? Post-processing's on. Huh. Volume mask is post-processing. Wow. Weird one. Could it be tone, like one of these other ones somehow messing with it? Doesn't really feel like it. Interesting. So I mean, you would think that with this guy right here, we could get very good intensity, like high intensity. But we're just not getting that at all. Oh, it's so weird. That's so annoying. Huh. Well, that's fun. Put in a text to my team lead to ask to work from home today. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. So you just chilling? Chilling at your setup already? Dude, I want to figure this out. Like, I'm so confused. Okay, I'm gonna make a new scene in this project. Alright, man. Well, fuck, man. I have to go to sleep soon. This is gonna really bother me, though. Let's just try setting it up real quick. 3D object. Otherwise, I need to leave 30 minutes ago. Dude, I wish I could work from home tomorrow, man. I want to so bad. Okay, let's put in a cube. Where is our cube? Okay, can we put our cube somewhere near the main camera, I guess? Would be nice. Okay, there's our cube. Let's create what is it? A volume, global volume. I guess I'm just gonna make a new global. I have like 7 of these now. Bloom. .1. Okay, threshold 0.9. Sure. I wish I could work from home ever. My type of job, it's impossible, dude. Me and you both, Dalco. Yeah, dude. I work on like basically a server that it's like not even possible. Is that what you gotta do too or something? Yeah, I work on a server that is not accessible from off campus. Fucking sucks. Literally have to be in every day. Oh, you work in entertainment? Okay, okay. So you're just always out there. Gotta be out in the field. Alright. Well, we got our global post-processing. It has a little bit of bloom on it. And oh, concert venue, damn, okay. So you like work in music? Okay, how about we have our emission test material, right? Let's attach that. Well, it's glowing in the scene view. I think it's because we didn't check post-processing here, I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay, well, it's not the project, it's the scene. Somehow the scene is... What? Because this is the same material. I'm using the literal exact same material. Okay, let's go back. Oh, try using the material? The ring material? Sure. Uh-oh. Oh. What? Fucking Unity, man. Your feet knows you're on, dude. I found some fucking weird shit, dude. What is happening? Yeah, the worst bugs are when like you're doing everything right, but like, what is the, oh, sure, I'll save this. We don't need that anymore. You're like doing everything right, but then something weird happens, so it's actually wrong. And the whole time you think you did something like horribly wrong, like stupid, but actually you were doing it right the whole time. I hate those problems, man. We're inside of one right now. Okay, cube. Let's use the ring. Oh, that's in models. Beat ring. Doesn't work, dude, really? Okay, beat ring. Oh, it doesn't have a mission on yet. Voink. I would say that's looking pretty emissive. It looks a little odd, I don't know why, but it's not quite as vibrant as I would expect. But still, it's way different. Actually, now I'm a little onto this material. But we tested with this one as well, and maybe, okay, can I move my main camera up like just so we can look down maybe? Well, I don't really know why it's so much more. I guess it's just a brighter color, but no, okay, maybe it was just the background that was messing with it. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's go back to the other scene. Yeah, mission, game scene. You know, like, well, it's just such an obvious difference because like, even in the scene view, it's not showing it. So I really don't know what it is. It's not the camera. I'm pretty stuck. I have no idea why it's this much different. I don't even know what to check anymore. .9. I just used the post-process volume from the other scene. I'm literally using the exact same one now. 0.9, 0.1. Huh. I kind of want to create a new camera, but like also it's not going to explain. It's not going to explain the difference in the scene view, right? Like the scene view is not. Could it be any of these or? Here, let's make a new. I'll just make a new camera. Just in case, but just don't understand how it's gonna. Wow, it's so weird. Yeah, it's same problem. Oh, well actually this camera probably isn't using post-processing effects. Hold on. Post-processing is on. Wait. Oh, wait. I have an idea. No. Shit. I thought it might be the culling mask. But no, we want to see everything. Could it just not? I mean, it is applying it though, because like we see the effect of it. So it's not like it's not. Okay. It actually isn't. This one is not applying it right now for some reason. This guy in his Rocket League, man. Hold the fuck on. Wait. Why is this camera not applying it? Layer, post-processing. Isn't there a place where I need to assign it? Like, I can't find it right now. Do I have to, oh, do I have to add a post-processing layer? No. Volume mask. I think that's what it is. Oh. Oh. Now that's looking emissive. No, it should be same render pipeline. We're onto something here. Hold the fuck on, dude. Dude. What? Wait. Oh. No, I'm being stupid. This is still set to like a fucking bajillion. Dude, I got so excited. No, okay, but this one still like kind of works, right? Like that's way more than the other one. Okay. Huh? It's not like a matter of a distance. Okay, there's gotta be something different with the cameras. There has to be a setting that's different. Volume mask is the same. I wish there's like, is there like a file that I can do like a compare for the camera? Should I make a prefab of it and do a compare? You think? Okay, for some reason this is priority -1. I don't know why that would be. Didn't make a difference. Volume mask is default and post-processing. This one's just post-processing. Well, shit, that didn't do it either. This is still good, right? Yeah. What? My HDR rendering and MSA is just off? Dude, I have no idea why this is off. I have absolutely no fucking idea why. Actually, okay, I think I know why it's off. Holy shit. You guys, I'm gonna explain why this is off right now, and you're gonna be astonished at how fucked up this bug is. This player controller came from a different project. I did a different project where I just focused on making a player controller. And I made that project in a non-URP project. I made it in built-in render pipeline a long time ago. And I ported it over in its own namespace, Ginja Gaming. It's my fucking namespace or whatever, is my FPS rigid body controller. And I guarantee you that the player camera in here is, well, the player container is the prefab in there. It comes from there, and I guarantee the camera, those inputs are just off because of that. So it actually wasn't rendering using the URP render pipeline asset. No fucking shit. URP post-processing wasn't working. Man, if Unity doesn't just make one, dude, seriously, man. Oh, this is the worst I've suffered from fucking different render pipelines. Okay, well, I think that makes a good end to the stream. You guys, thanks for sticking it out with me. Thanks for all the suggestions. Holy shit, bro, that was stupid, man. That was an absolute waste of an hour and a half. But hey, we got some nice glowing objects now. I'm gonna go to bed. I also hope Unity treats me better next time. Yes. Hey, learning isn't a waste. Yeah, I know never to use this asset without checking that now in the future. So hey, I learned something. Hey, yeah, as long as I get, dude, if I go to bed without solving a bug, I like don't sleep. So I'm just happy we fucking solved this. Anyways, you guys, I'm out. Peace. Thank you for the subs, Dalco. Appreciate that. I will be live hopefully in the next 3-4 days or so. I try to stream, you know, one or two times a week right now. So I'll see y'all soon. Later.